Welcome to Email Blaster Analytics. In this video we're going to take a look at your suppressions breakdown. From the pie chart here, we can see a breakdown between those that chose a normal unsubscribe and those that chose to be suppressed. So a normal unsubscribe, when a user asks to be removed from your mailing list and click on unsubscribe, they're simply removed from the list in question. The second option that's presented to the user is add to suppressions. If they click on this, they'll be tagged as global suppress. This means that if they exist in other mailing lists that you own, they'll automatically be removed from your future sends too. So from here we can see that we had 2 normal unsubscribes, which was 0.5%, and 2 global suppressions, which equates to 1%. You can click on the breakdown for either of these to view the list. And that's a quick look at understanding your suppressions breakdown. See you in the next one.